My name is Carolina, and today I'm going to be speaking about my experience at the Money Hub. A few summers ago, I was a member of a program called YEO in the behalf of the Brotherhood Sister Soul, where the supervisor came in and brought in a company called the Money Hub, where we participated in a series of workshops about financial literacy. During this series of these workshops, I was able to learn about budgeting, saving, my values, and my goals. I personally feel like the Money Hub prepared me for college financially because, unfortunately, my high school never offered courses where they focused on financial literacy. Plus, it's something that's needed to succeed in this country anyways. One of the most important things that I've learned throughout these workshops is budgeting. As a current college student, I had to take in consideration of all of my expenses, such as transportation, books, and food and stuff of that nature. So I had to be wise and smart about how I use my money. So throughout the workshops in the Money Hub, I was able to learn those skills that were really helpful as a college student. Another important thing that I learned was the difference between a need and a want, because trust me, as a 19-year-old teenage girl, I'm always that person who needs to spend money on the most unnecessary things. So on one of the workshops, we were able to organize stuff of our daily lives of things that are a need and a want, which I learned so much from because turns out the majority of the things that I have, I do not need at all. The Money Hub does such a great job educating their students about financial literacy. Also, they bring a fun component to it. At the end of the workshop series, they do a Jeopardy game, which is really fun and so competitive. I personally never won none of the Jeopardy games at all, but you know what? It's okay because one thing I did learn and did win was all that knowledge that would then be useful for me in the future. I honestly love the work the Money Hub does because they go out to schools throughout the city and teach students about financial literacy, which I know all of them will benefit from. Because trust me, these are skills that you're going to need when you go to the outside world, because the outside world consists of money, and more money. So the Money Hub does a great job with educating these students because, first of all, like I mentioned earlier, the majority of these schools don't even offer courses that help you with financial stuff anyways. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. Now I'm going to present a few photos of my experience at the Money Hub. Have a good and blessed day. Bye!